We are live. We are live. We are live. We are live. Who is in here ready to trade? Morte, always in here early. Morte. You are always here first, Morte. I like it. I like it. But good morning, Morte. How are you today, man? What you got going on? What you got going on today, Morte? What are you gonna do after you make some money today? You're gonna make your money in the first 10, 15 minutes, and then what you gonna do? Let's see. No trades for me today. Do you usually try to trade pre-market? Lucid. I'm gonna get rid of Lucid. Drip Hills. Nope. EXO. Nope. EDU. Wow, EDU came back all the way back up. Morte, go back to work. If I find something, I do, but I'm still under PDT, so I only have 3 trades a week. Dang, that sucks. Good morning, Jim. What's that? What's that face for, James? Good morning, James. Good morning, Ape Trades. I'm not gonna lie. I've been waking up pretty sleepy recently. I've been waking up pretty sleepy recently. I need some good act. Oh dang! Look at RDBX flush after yesterday. I've been waking up pretty sleepy. ARC hit a new high of 19.95. Couldn't get $20. Could not get $20. So it looks like both of those plays will probably be done. I don't think we'll see a good trade on ARC or RDBX today. Let's see. I'm looking at Indo and Husa. Okay, I'm gonna see. I want to keep an eye on COGT still. I want to keep an eye on COGT. COGT is still a dollar and a half under all highs, so I want to keep an eye on that one. Jan looks like Jan has completely gone off the rails, so delete that one. AUVI, I'll put an alert way up there just in case, but don't need it. CYRN, nope. Husa, here's Husa. What is Husa's high? 8.6. I got I got up at 5:20 today. Went to do some fasted cardio. You're crazy, dude. Thinking of waiting for Feds on Wednesday. The market may be slow at the beginning since people will be waiting for the report. Let's see. On Husa. Oh, that's why. What happened to this? Hold on. I don't know if I'm having internet issues or what, but ever since yesterday trying to play games, like everything is just laggy and now my music won't even play. Oh my gosh, man, it's frustrating. Why do I have such a good PC if it doesn't work? So Husa, I do like Husa, high of 8.6. We are right below 740, 750. Looks like this probably right here is 750. So let me mark 750 down. There we go. 750 there. Yeah, we get over 750. We can start looking trades to $8, 8.5, and then new high at 8.6. Let's see, the market always more days, same here. Will the market come down to the area I want? Let me see. Let me see your chart. Market's gonna come down still. Are you talking about that red line? The probably 200 or 180 SMA? What is that SMA you got there? Yeah, the 200 MA. Yeah, I don't know. I think so. We haven't touched it since like was that the COVID one last time? Yeah. And usually we trend below it sometimes too. We've trended below it before. We haven't trended below it in a long time, so it makes it even scarier. But Husa and then Indo, right? Indo's the other one that we were looking at. Let's look at Indo. Indo has a high of 1359, which that's been a while ago. And then today's pre-market high is 1051. Okay, so we could take some trades down here. And then what was the other one that I had? Anybody take a look at KAVL? I see that one on my scanner as well. KAVL. Or does it not look interesting? This looks interesting. KAVL looks interesting. Anybody looked at KAVL? We've gotten a lot of sellers up here though at 3.5, 3.6, 3. Yeah, 3.5, 3.45. Which is where these level lines are right there. We've gone 2 spikes up to there and pulled back. So it could be interesting if we get back to that 3.5 again, see if we get a nice little squeeze to that top side. So KAVL I am liking a little bit, so I'm going to put my stocks on the side now. So we got HUSA, we got INDO, and then we got KAVL. Alright, let's see. That was your 3 as well. Okay. Kieran said Indo looks good. Agaska said good morning, cute people. Good morning, Agaska. Good morning, everybody. Who else is here? Let's see. What do we got going on with the other large stocks? What did SPY do? Did it ever crack that support that I had? No, it's actually bounced off. No, it actually hit it exactly yesterday close. Look, this is that dotted line that I was waiting for. So we did get a nice bounce off of it, but are we going to keep going up, or are we going to go right back down below that thing and then flush like a mofo, right? He's alive. Darth Raider. Possible dead cat bounces on UNG. Boyle. Flipside. Nice Ripper. KOLD. Cold? Oh, yeah. Now this one looks good. Trying to reach that 200, 180 SMA up at 2630s. Right now it's at 2381. This looks good too. I'm going to put this one on my other spot over here. KOLD. Yeah, Darth Trader. Yesterday I was here and I was like, all right, guys, I'm gonna head out and stuff like that. And I was talking about saying bye, and like nobody replied. So I was like, I don't want to just leave so people come back and they don't like they just notice that I'm gone. And so I like waited and I was like, guys, are y'all here? And then finally everybody started saying bye. So then I was like, all right, I'm leaving. And then you came back and you were like, what? He didn't even say bye. He just left the building or something. I was like, what? That's funny. I thought it was funny. I literally just missed you. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Why is my internet not working, people? Anybody watching on YouTube? It says I got 19 viewers over on YouTube. Alright, maybe I fixed it. So KOLD 2381. Watch the break of 24. KAVL I like. Get over that 2.8 pivot and then start looking at $3, 3.1, 3.2. There we go. There's my music. Now I'm back in the mood. Jesse is over on YouTube. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So, KOLD break of 24. KAVL get over 2.8, $3. Start touching $3. Take trades there, 3-1, 3-2. Husa has a high resistance of 8.6. So Husa, I am interested in hitting that 7.5, get over 7.5, and see if you can get a nice run to 8, 8.5, and then 8.6 is right there. And then let me see. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got. Look at Rev. Rev. Let me look at Rev. Rev looks like a dead cat bounce. Sold off from like $5 all the way down to 1, and now you're trying to come back up. So you might get a nice little bounce, but I never know these. These can be a falling knife. Actually, that reminds me. Whatever happened to IMTE? This is the one that sold off like crazy that one day, right? Yeah, this is the one that went from, look at this, from $13 down to 3.9. So you're like, okay, this might be a dead bounce, this might be a dead bounce, and then from 3.9 went down to 2.5, 2.4, 2.3. That one's rough. Anyone short that? I don't know that anybody in here got that. I think some people were calling it out, but I don't know that anybody actually joined in on it. Would have been nice though, from $13 down to Husa gonna run. Husa is the one that I think can do it. Husa, we just gotta get over that 7.5. If we get over that 7.5, because last time we got an attempt 2 days ago at 7.5, couldn't break it. Yesterday we didn't even get up to 7.5. So 7.5, half dollar, get over that, hold it. Maybe you now get a nice run to $8, which you also got stuck at 3 days ago. Couldn't break $8, but if you get 7.5, $8. After that is 8.5, and once you get to 8.5, 8.6 is right there, new high. Cold looks like it hit a new high already, so sucks for that. I think Dart Trader, you're calling it cold. And then looks like Indo's actually pulling back pretty aggressively right now. So no trades on those probably, or at least not now, not until we get a nice better move. Not until Indo gets back up above VWAP. And then Cold, well, Cold is hitting new highs right now, so Husa I am interested in though. We might even have like a little flag here forming right into the open. So let's see what happens on Husa. It'll probably be the one that I'm looking at first, but I don't know that I have an entry set yet. So let's just keep watching it. If it gets up to 7.4, 7.5, I might start taking the trades through a pivot break of half dollar, but we shall see. There it is. There's a nice little move right before open. We got 30 seconds left, and this candle's trying to come up. Good morning, Mersa. So I did have a red day yesterday, guys. Second red day of June. I started off pretty bad. I was down like 1100 on my first trade, but I was able to come back and was then down like only 200, and then I took another loser. Was down like 600. and then made a couple winners. So I finished down negative 330 or something like that yesterday. Small red day, so let's see who's maybe if it was to dip down to this trend line, I would take a small little dip, but we shall see. Watching Husa and then Cold as well. Looks like Cold just spiked. Never mind. Come on, Spy. Goddamn, man, was holding up so nice. Did it just tank? So we're live. Market is open. Watching Husa. Watching Husa. See if we can get up to 7475. What else am I watching? KAVL. Kind of like not even doing anything. Indo looks like it recovered a little bit, and then Cold did spike up to a high, but nothing that is gonna make me want to chase Cold right now. It's at 24.5. Indo might be a one that I might chase, but I'm still watching Husa. Oh, Husa's about to go right up to 7.5. We missed that first little pullback there. Big rejection up there. Didn't even get 7.5. See, this is what I'm saying. 7.5 is the level on Husa. Anybody's trading Cold? Oh my god, is anybody trading Cold? Look at this. It's gonna hit $26. Why is my Thinkorswim so laggy? Why is my Thinkorswim so laggy? Holy crap, guys. Why is this so laggy? See, I'm telling you, I think I have something wrong with my internet or something. This is ridiculous. You guys seeing this lag? Are you guys seeing this lag that I'm seeing? This is ridiculous. I can't see my position. I can't. What? What is happening? It's so laggy, man. $752 with a lag. What is happening, guys? I can't see anything. Why is it so? What is wrong with my internet, man? Oh, come on. That should have been a bigger trade if why does every time I try to freaking get into a play, every time I want to something always happens, man. There's always something. It's always something. It's always something. Guys, anybody using Thinkorswim today, is it laggy for you guys? Because I could not see, like, I bought, and I don't know if it filled me or filled me late. I don't, look at this. I mean, I bought 1,500 shares down at 25.1. I should be up 2,000. Bro, you just made 750 in 2 minutes. What's to be mad about? My freaking internet, man. A little bit Thinkorswim. Hey, great trade. Great trade to start the day, man. Great trade. I am happy with that. 752. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm chilling. But what the frick, man? Look at this. I had 1,500 shares, man. Oh my gosh. I can feel it. The lag. I can feel the lag. My mouse is fine, but see, look at that. Look the way if I move it. Do you see that lag, guys? Oh my gosh, $28. Oh, this is a big squeeze. I had 1,500 shares. Wait, you can go to the help tab and collect garbage. What does that mean? Help. Well, I've never done this. What am I doing? Collect garbage. Click on Systems tab. System. Holy moly, what is all this? Free memory, what is that? Collect garbage. Bro, I've never done this. This probably has like years of freaking. Did it do it? Did it do it already? It doesn't like prompt you anything, it just clears it? Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see if it worked. Let's see if it worked. Okay, I'm good. Dang, 15. Let's see my entry, guys. 21, 25-1. I got in right there. 25-1. Dang. That was a nice move for sure. All the way up to 28. That was a $3 move that I let go. I don't know. Zach said it, so I hope he didn't. Hello, my man, making 750 on no look plays for real. That was like a blind play almost. Like I was having to guess where the price was, and I had to sell early because it was popping up. It was popping up, and I couldn't freaking see. Oh my God, big buy right there. Can we recycle that garbage? I'm guessing it probably takes a bunch of stuff, or I don't know. I always wonder, like, I make so many trend lines. Like, does like the more I make and the longer I trade on Thinkorswim, does all those trend lines have to load all the time and like make my platform slower or not? What's everyone looking at? I'm looking at KOLD, but we do have Husa and we do have Indo and KAVL on watch as well. Took one trade on KOLD so far. Was having issues while I took it. I took the trade and I was literally trading it blindly. I could not see anything. My everything was frozen. Everything was frozen. I couldn't see Jack Rabbit. One of the suggestions online. Okay. Yeah, I do have that, and I think I'm gonna up it more a little bit just to see if it makes a little bit difference. I don't have it on the max. I don't want to use the whole max, obviously, but I do have it a bit up a little bit. ARC again? There's no way, dude. Bro, ARC, if it keeps being like this, ARC is gonna be one of those stocks that just shoots up to 100 bucks. Just one day it's gonna shoot to 100 bucks. 25%. I definitely have it. Look at Husa. Husa trying to make a nice little VWAP play here. Bro, this is so lag. It has to be my internet. I'm gonna have to reset my internet because yesterday I was trying to play games and stream and nothing was working, man. It was so annoying. Husa, nice little VWAP play here. Husa, our first target would be 750, right? 750. SONM, SONM, SONM. Which one can I take out of here? SONM. Oh, SONM. It's a little cheap, but it looks good. Look at Husa, though. Husa's the 750 break is what we're wanting. We should have gotten on that break of VWAP. I let it go. What is this pivot here? 745. So 750 is our target. 750 is our target. It looks like we're about to already get the break of 750. Here it is, 750. There it is. Can we hold 750? Can we hold 750? Look at Indo as well. Indo doing the same thing, coming up to VWAP, trying to break that VWAP play. So this one, it looked like it pulled too much, and it did, because now it reaches 750. But by the time it reaches 750, it's running out of gas, right? And we need to close above 750, so it pulled too much. Bro, I did that yesterday too, and it shows it's still good. Like I still had 700 download and like 900 upload. So I don't know why it's being like this. Okay, we got Indo trying to make that play through VWAP again also. So very similar play, looking for that $half on this one, looking for that $half play, and then KOLD is actually gonna KOLD is starting to curl back up, right? Look at KOLD. So it looks like all of those 3 plays just turned back on us. They all just went red. So let's see what happens. KOLD flagging. Yeah, that's the one I was saying. It looked like it was making a little flag and started to curl back up and then just got pulled back right there. But so look, my ping is 11, my download is 600, and my upload is still, but download 600. That shouldn't be bad. That should be good. Looks like SONM, for whoever was calling SONM, is pulling back, and then Husa's attempting 750. ARC hauled down then. Lamasa Dick just ripped his shirt. What is he trading or what? Did he make a nice trade? Did he make a good trade? A bad trade? What's happening? What's happening? Yeah, so here it is, guys. 11 ping, 600 download, 900 upload. That should be plenty. That should be plenty. INDO did make that breakthrough VWAP. Let's see if we can get a small ad down there. I just want to see, I add, and it takes a little bit. It takes a little bit to show it, to mark it. It's not buying me and selling instantly. Something's up, man. Let me keep trying it again. If it stays like this, I might have to just call it a day and reset my internet or something. I'll stay on here, but I meant as far as like trading. Oh, there goes Husa. There goes Husa. 750 break on Husa. Here it is. So now we can look for a nice little squeeze maybe. An INDO. Looks like I did pull up after that. So let me see if we can get a nice retest of 750 here on Husa. There we go. Getting in low down there. Okay, that one wasn't a bad fill. It didn't take forever to fill me on that one. Like a rock star. Let's see, who says holding that 750? Let's see if this candle holds it like this, and then next candle gets a little bit of better move. Depends on how this candle closes at the end of it, right? We got 30 seconds on this candle. 750 right there, 53, bouncing off of it. Can we see buyers come in here and hold 750? We had several attempts at 750 and finally broke above it, so we cannot let it go right away, right? Maybe we will. Indo had a very strong sell-off, so that is not going to help us in this case. Here we go. Can we get green on this trade and get out? There we go. There we go. There we go. Look at that. 750 bounce. 750 play. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. $750 bounce. I've been calling it. I said it. Look at that 750 bounce. Drop down to 749, 48. It looks like. Up here we go. Another little nice move. $798 is right there. 8.6 is a max high on this one. So Agaska. Oh, Agaska. You're not up 4K. You're talking about Deck, right? Making 4K. Did he short ARC or what did he? Look at Cold. Cold is breaking that downtrend. Cold breaking that downtrend and making a nice little squeeze. Can we get all the way back up to the top? And then Husa looking for the $8. Look, Husa looking for $8. Keeping an eye on both Cold and Husa. Can Cold hit a 28 and then squeeze above 28? Can Husa hit $8? Both on the eights. Both on the eights. Man, fit just like a rock star. Husa getting close to $8. Husa getting close to it. Yeah, he showed ARC was initially down 2K and then wham up 4K. Yeah, I'll have to give him a. I'll have to give him a. Let me do it. I guess I probably have to do it from here, right? Chat rooms. No, not chat rooms. Yes, I want to look. Look at. Did you guys see how slow that chat little notification popped up? Cold is the one that's came back up as well. So Indo and Cold both making a nice little move back up again. So support. Hold on. Look how slow that notification shows, guys. What the heck, man? I can't trade like this. Do you guys see what I'm talking about? Look, watch. If I click support and I click cancel, look at this. Look how slow this thing shows up. I actually showed it a little bit. Oh, even there to disappear, it took a little bit. Let me see what my task manager says. Thinkorswim, very high. Great. Indo did come back up. Whoever's calling out Bingo and Dress. Indo did come back up and now holding VWAP again. Now I'm watching Cold again. Cold is $28 break. We hit $28 to the penny, and then $28 is holding right now. So can we get a $28 break on Cold? If I restart Thinkorswim after 8:30, mine is like that too. Yeah, I was trying to see if I'd catch one of these breaks, but support. Create support request. Oh my god, I'm typing and the words are spawning out like 10 seconds later, man. Alright, I've sent them a chat. I have sent them a request. Let's see. Oh, looks like Indo had a nice little fake out breakout there. Little fake out breakout on Indo. Yeah, this is dumb, guys. I don't know that I can trade. I'm gonna stay here with you guys, but I don't know that I can trade. I'm gonna be risking. This is so annoying, guys. Dawn coming up to 15. Dawn is the one from yesterday. Dude! The high of Dawn was yesterday's pre-market, 15.96. So can we hold $15 on Dawn? I'm gonna put, and then KAVL never really did anything either. KAVL opened up and went down. And that Sun W play didn't really do anything either. Whoever mentioned that one. Yes, the whole entire platform is responding slowly. I'm hoping to see a cup and handle on cold. That's exactly what we're doing. But I thought there was another one that I want to look at real quick. And then Husa is still up there as well at the right under that $8. So if Husa can make a nice little breakthrough $8, you might get a nice little squeeze on that one. Husa trying the $8 break right here. I think Sniper Trace has an order ready at 801. 801 Sniper Trace got a ready order at 801. There we go. He's filled. Let's see if we can get a nice little squeeze. Let's see if we can get a nice little move back to the top side. Cold pulling back to the 9 EMA. Husa attempting this $8 break and hold. Break and hold. Remember, that's what you want. You want to break it and to hold it. Not just break it and come down. That doesn't tell me anything. Morte, look at the positive side. You still made 700. Keep your profit and don't risk it, especially with having broker issues. Yeah. The guy's replying to me. His name is Austin S. Come on, Austin, help me out. And don't tell me to collect garbage, because I already did that. He's probably gonna tell me to collect garbage, isn't he? How's the stream, guys? So is the stream doing fine? Dawn is the one moving up. Is the stream fine? Like, it doesn't seem laggy. My voice doesn't sound weird. It's just my platform. I wonder if having more screens affects it too. Because now I have an extra monitor with extra charts running. So look at Dawn. 1596 is a high, right? 1596. So $16 break is what we want on Dawn. There have not been any reported issues today related to this, and your connection looks good. This may be potentially be a workspace related issue, and can try resetting the workspace to default with the following steps to see if this resolves slowness. Go to setup to the top right, thinkorswim setup, save workspace, and save your current workspace. Then go back to setup, reset workspace to default. Try it again to default workspace. Do you see the same issue then? It's not gonna set up a save workspace as main workspace now. Look how laggy that is, man. How many windows of Thinkorswim do I have? I have a lot, man. Well, I have like the 6 little ones where it's a 1 minute, and then now I have 2 extra ones of Tesla and SPY on the side, and then my main one here, and then one to the left. Setup, save workspace, and then then go back to setup, reset workspace to default. Try it again in the default workspace. I don't want to do that. Should I try it? Yeah, I'm gonna tell them that didn't work. I wonder if they can see everything. Can they like get into our platform and see exactly what we do? That seems kind of illegal, right? Because they'd be able to buy and sell for us. But can they do that? he's gonna be like, bitch, you lying, man. He's like, I'm watching you, dude. Okay, let me try reset workspace to default. Look how slow that notification is. Oh my gosh. All right. Charts. What was I looking at? Husa. Oh man. Okay, this is like perfect. Look at this. This actually works. This moves normal. Okay, main workspace now. A little laggy, a little laggy. Go and load the setup that you just saved. Where's my support chat now? What? I don't have a support chat now. Oh, open. Okay, I'm waiting for his reply still. That kind of did work a little bit in the default, but yeah, I mean, I get why it won't work. It's the only chart I'm looking at. There shouldn't be a problem with looking at 4 or 5 charts. That's what a broker does. I should be able to have all these charts open. What I could do is I could try to see if I could use more memory if I like restart my platform and then use more memory and see if that helps it. So let me quickly scan through all of these. Oh, Reb. Who was calling out Reb this morning? Reb had a nice little move. So we did get that break of $8 on Husa, but never held it, right? So never held it. No trades. No trades. Come on, Austin S. Tell me something else to do. Actually, it is moving a little bit better. Just doing that, it is moving a little bit better. Husa broke downtrend. I am watching Husa. And then Cold, let's see, is Cold making that handle and ripping through? No, somebody grabbed that handle a little too tight. It's breaking. I bet streaming and all doing all this too doesn't probably help it, right? It probably puts more stress on it too. Yeah, it has to, oh look, there's Husa, $8 again. How do I check all those settings? I don't remember which one I ended up getting. My PC, how do you guys can see my stuff. I'm not the best computer genius guy. I didn't build it. Anyone know what time the Fed meeting is? Jesse over on YouTube is asking, anybody know what time the meeting is at? Search about PC. To confirm the platform is still responding slowly in the default workspace. 32 gigs. Look at this, Intel Core i9. Everybody is saying it is tomorrow at 2 p.m. Jesse, over on Active Trader, everybody's saying tomorrow at 2 p.m. I know, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I don't think it's my PC, but I have an i9 with 32 gigs of RAM. The only thing that I do have that I need to update is my GPU. My GPU is a little bit older, and I haven't gotten a chance to get a new one. But I mean, shouldn't be causing all of this. You got 16 gigs and your shit's a powerhouse. I told you guys I have a little bit of a overkill PC for right now. Well, I guess the Intel 9 is, but Husa cannot break $8. I'm gonna say maybe it was a little better, but what would cause the lag? Several screens open. Several screens slash charts open. There we go. Alright, so let's see what we got. KIVL failed. Looks like Husa cannot get over $8. If Husa breaks $8, guys, we should be able to get a nice pretty squeeze. Maybe 8 to 850 and 860 is the highest, so it's just right there. Cold had a very nice opening, 3, 4, 5 minutes. So we did open and started rallying. We got to 28 to the penny, stopped there, and then curled all the way back up to 28. Could have found a trade somewhere in there. Break of downtrend right here. Break of downtrend right there. You take the trade somewhere in here and then ride it back up. And then right now it's making kind of a handle still, but not so clean, not so attractive to me right now. All right, he's typing. Let's see what Austin's got to say. Tesla is a moneymaker. Tesla's not doing anything today. Tesla is consolidating with a downtrend cutting through 600, 650, and then support down at 643. Alright, Austin. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, what the heck? There could be an issue with the saved workspace file. Otherwise, if you're still experiencing lag in the default workspace, could try increasing the Thinkorswim memory on the login window by clicking the gear wheel icon, or could also clear the cache from Thinkorswim by deleting the user GIU folder in the Thinkorswim directory. Okay, I haven't tried that. Let's try that. Oh, I have to close Thinkorswim to do that. Has anybody done that? Has anybody cleared the user GUI folder? Oh, I mean, I guess like that, but it's not like rallying. Okay, I guess it did move, but it's not like. I mean, I guess if you read it fine, then yeah, it's a money maker, but it's not like. Never mind. Never mind. You got me. You're right. I'm wrong. You win. I lose. Reb is flying. Oh wow, Reb is flying. What's the high on Reb? What's our target? What's our target? What's our target? Dang, 45. From 5 days ago, it used to be at 45. Let me load some contracts. Yeah, right. Stream is good over there. I said, yeah, I think the stream is good. I think everything else is good. I think it's just my Thinkorswim just on my side. It's just I might try what he just did right now. Hold on. Reb is still flying, guys. Who's catching Reb? Marissa, did you jump in on Reb? Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of this and then I'm going to try it. So Reb is flying, guys. Reb is flying from $2. After it broke $2, it took off. So nope, not chasing it. Okay, I'm gonna close this out, guys, and then see if I can do something or I can make anything happen. So let me do. Okay, yes, log off. Here's my home screen, guys. You guys can see all my games. Right click on the icon. Right click on the icon. Click on properties. Click on open file location. Open file location. Oh dang. Look up for the UC user. Oh, there's a lot. User GUI folder. Is it these two? Oh, this one. What the heck is all this, guys? I feel like I shouldn't. I feel like I shouldn't delete this. I feel like I should not. I feel like I should not delete this. User GUI. Looking for the user GUI folder and delete folder. Should I delete this? That's what he's telling me to do. You guys know what user GUI is? Dang. Legit have no idea. Ape Trades, you know a little bit about computers, right? Should I delete it? Do you think it's gonna help? Should I just try it? Screw it. Okay. And now I am also going to increase my RAM, so sounds important. It did. Bro, if it's not even loading now. It says installing updates. Maybe that's what it was too. Maybe somehow they came out with an update right after I freaking opened it. Alright, logging in, logging in. Oh, I forgot to freaking change the memory. Damn it. I forgot to change the memory. Alright, let's see how this feels. Okay. Okay, smooth so far, smooth so far. Let's see where that stupid chat is. Maybe freaking Austin lied to me. Correct. User GIU folder will not affect settings, layouts, or Thinkorswim. I just asked him about the user GUI folder. Okay, let's look at HUSA because I think HUSA broke $8. Oh, HUSA broke $8 and then pulled back. So Cold never came back up to that $28. Indo, let's see what Indo's doing. HUSA right back up to $8 right now. HUSA trying $8 again. Yeah, I did not think Reb was gonna do that. Although the only thing is on Reb, the next high is not for a while. It's not like to 480 something, I think. Not until 8:40. Let me see, just to see resumption how it look. Oh, the time in Celsius has gone white. So what does the time halt at? 9:05, 9:10. Yeah, when it usually goes white, that usually means it's gonna be less longer than 5 minutes, or at least that's what I've noticed. Oh, never mind. Holy crap. Can we get a red to green move on Reb? No. It looks like a pretty aggressive sell, so that's what I thought. I thought we would get a nice pullback of people taking profit and then crushing the shorts again and then going long, but it started pulling back a little too much. But what is this high now? This high is 273. I guess $3 would be the next target. Let's blow it on. Oh, Cold is curling back up. Anybody's watching Cold? Okay, it just holds the temporary system files. It is the same as cache with an internet browser. After deleting that folder and restarting the ecosystem, do you notice any improvements? Maybe a little bit. Anything else I can do to help it? Oh, COGT is shooting an alert. What did what did Dawn do? Anybody keep an eye on Dawn? Dawn was heading up to that $15, right? Oh, Dawn is consolidating at $15. That's good. That's good on Dawn as well. High is $16 on Dawn, so we get through 15.50 and we can probably. Damn, look at Reb. That's the move I was waiting for. $3 right there, though. Can we get a break of $3? Cold is gonna look into hit a new high, but so this should have been a good play here on Reb. We should have jumped in on this play. I see Cold now. Gosh dang it! Right through $3. So it looks like Reb also is closing below $3, so this would be a little bit more iffy to take that trade. Cold hit a new high, but barely so. Until it was halted, yeah. I did want to get on this pullback. I was thinking of getting it somewhere in here. But I didn't. I let it go. Looks like Tesla is pulling back right under that 643 level again. That was a nice little double triple bottom a couple days ago, so Reb still under $3. Cold is up there with that 28. It's at $28 right now, holding 28, but 28.15 is at new resistance. Husa below $8 and now a little bit of a down flush. Dawn is the one that's still holding 15 on Dawn. Look at Dawn. 15.5 is the next point on Dawn. We're stuck at 15.39, but if we get 15.5 on Dawn and start squeezing, we can get $16. Pixie spiked up. Pixie also spiked up. $128 by 61.44. So Pixie spiking up. Rev is below $3. No trade there. Cold, it's at the 28. Trying to hold 28 against that 28.15, but stock already has made a pretty nice move today, so I don't know if this will give you another dollar move to 30, 29, 30. KAVL flushed. Indo could not hold VWAP and make a move to 10.5. After that, we flushed. So it looks like Rev could be our only play again if we start holding $3. Maybe we can get another trade up here. But I don't know what this Rev is just a short covering play, right? And maybe you can go all the way back up to that 3.6 mark because that's a 180 resistance, or it was support and we never claimed it as resistance. So maybe we can get up to 3.6 and then start pulling back. Who's taking trades today? How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? Who's trading what? Mersa, Dark Trader, Sniper Trades, anybody? Andres, how are you doing today? Cleach, how are you doing today? Jims, what are you playing? I'm curious. I've literally been half trading today, guys. I was messing with all this and been chaos and all that. So Vic Trades is up $8. Ape Trades up at $23. Ape Trades, are you still on your little bit of a streak or what's going on? That sounded like that one song. Made a million, don't know what's going on, what to blow it on. If still experiencing lag after resetting workspace to default, increasing memory and deleting user GIE, I can get one of our tech support specialists in this chat to further troubleshoot. There could be drivers that need to be updated or programs on the computer interfering. I don't know if I want to do all that right now. Let's see, Vic was down 4, then 112, so there we go, good comeback. TD4 is up 63 on RDBX. Joey, no trades. Andres, you're up 1.1. Let's see. Well, yesterday was red, but other than that, all green this month. Are you keeping that red loss pretty small too? It's important. Mercer, 2 wins on Rev, lost on Husa. Big trades. I bought a pullback too early, but held and just exited with profit. Okay, on Husa. Yesterday you lost 3K. Okay. Hey, thanks for being honest. Andres. Thanks for being honest. And I've definitely seen you make more, so you're good. I don't know what to give you for being honest. I guess a thumbs up. Thanks for that, Andres. Up less than $14. Yeah, only 45 right. Hey, Ape Trades, that's a good loss. Would been down like 15, but still took small 8 on the day. Supernova tomorrow, and your platform is acting up. True. Let me see what this guy says. If still experiencing reset worse, but so Dawn is moving back up again. 1550 is the level, right? Look at 1550. We spike up once, can hold it. Spike up once, can hold it. Why is this stock like frozen? Tesla is probably gonna hit a new low of day, right? Yeah, so Tesla, you had that nice, almost triple bottom at 643, and you've pulled back down from 643 a second time. So I would expect Tesla to hit a new low of day today. So oh, look at that nasty flush on Dawn. Dang. Nothing to hide. That's the stock market, up and down. You're right. And the more you accept it, and the more you're okay with it, and the more you learn from it, the better you get. So for sure, I got to get back on doing my recaps. I've had a lot going on in life right now. Last couple this weekend was not the best, but I gotta start making more recaps and start bringing more people in here, guys. TikToks, anything. I gotta keep this growing. We got how many people we got on YouTube? We got 28, and then on Tradecaster 46. We need to get those numbers up. Let's see. Depending on your computer specs and internet connection, having a lot of charts active with multiple studies could affect platform performance. Yeah, my computer should handle that. But okay. But okay, bud. Rev could not break and hold $3. Pixie was the other one spiking up. The Dawn was a scary drop. I think Joey lost 500 on Hills and ARC yesterday. Ouch. It's okay, Joey. Get it back. Get it back. Alright, said just a couple moments, please. I'll get one of our tech specialists in this chat to help troubleshoot. Okay. Alright, thank you. Yeah, that was a scary drop. This is why I don't usually buy until I know that I'm going to get a squeeze, right? Hey, at least somehow I'm making money. Which one did I trade? Oh, I'm on the wrong account. I was in the wrong account this whole time. I was like, I know I traded Husa. $12 profit on Husa. I think 95-cent loss. Morte, you're out. How'd you do, Morte? Morte gets in here, gets the job done, and leaves. That's how Morte trades. Come in, make some money, and get out. Morte. He's always here. He's the first one here every morning. He's ready to trade. He's ready to go. How did ARC do? Let me see. Why did Dex short this? Why and where? Does anybody know? Just because it had too much hype? Oh, what the heck? Support specialist has joined the chat. Don't miss the opportunity. What did it say? Hey, support specialist, look at my profit today. $752. You see it right there? I wonder if he can hear me too. Thanks for chatting with tech support. Give me a moment to review the chat. Appreciate it. I'm shorting now. QD, another leg, another long, another red. Trade, wow. 120 on paper on CLVS. I wish I could stay, would have to go to my current job. Oh, that's right, Morte, that's right. No, you go ahead and go. CLVS. Why did you short CLVS though? These low volume ones. See if you can get a nice flush. And then Agaska is shorting QD. QD, QD. Oh, Agaska, you shorting the top of QD. Where are you shorting? This one does have a break of downtrend on the 180, so be careful. Look at this. Look at QD Agaska. Right? Downtrend, 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 downtrend. Today, you're squeezing through it, right? So, if you get pulled back maybe below that $1 or something like that, maybe. But, unless you get up here somewhere and start double topping. Alright, let's see what this guy says. Let's see what this tech specialist says. Can you go up to the upper right hand corner of your Thinkorswim and right click on where it says setup please? This will send me an error report which will give me a snapshot of your system and let me get a look if there's any performance shortfalls. Once you've done that, please let me know. Just click setup. Oh, what the heck? You just right click that and it sends a report. Dang, I'm learning a lot. His average cost was $17.25. My god, he's short at the top, but why? I mean, I guess we knew we weren't gonna get off into a run and just rally today probably. The stocks rallied so much, so maybe just anticipating a drop or something. Nice little pops up and short it. Oh, I forgot to tell him. I forgot to send them. Cold is still the one that keeps hitting or getting close to $28. So if we keep tapping $28 and don't get big moves, like here we tapped it, barely broke a little bit. Here we barely broke a little bit. Maybe eventually if we pick a volume on cold, maybe you will get a nice little move higher. A nice little squeeze because now you're accumulating people at $28, right? And then Reb, don't forget about Reb. Reb is still holding down here. Is this a break of downtrend maybe, Mursa? Is this a break of downtrend on Reb? Oh, he jumped in early. You grab some small Reb right here, Mursa? Maybe somewhere in this pullback here. See if you get a nice little move back up to $3 and at least take some profit there. Now this guy's name is Matt M. He said, "Gotta give me a few minutes to review." Dart Trader, now because of this, you're calling it. I'm gonna have a. There's gonna be a supernova squeeze tomorrow. Watch. There's gonna be a supernova squeeze tomorrow. Watch. Oh, Reb. Is there anything in momentum scanners? Nope. Dawn was on there. Oh, QD, the one that Agaska's shorting. Agaska's a short specialist though, so give it some time. Give it some time. I want to buy something just to see if it's still lagging, because when I bought cold, I kid you not, guys, I could not see anything. And then I tried buying the Indo one, it was still kind of laggy, and then I bought Husa, and that was after I cleared that user GI, UI, whatever it was, folder. It felt a little better, but I mean, not like it usually is. So let's see what this Matt specialist guy has to say. So let's see. I've only traded those three stocks, and one of them was the only one that I actually really played. The other ones are just small, very small size. So I'm probably up like 760 on the day or something like that. $760 on the day. Just getting here. What's been traded today? Zamboni, man, I am having trouble today. Not trouble with profit, because somehow I traded cold up here. I jumped in 1,500 shares. This was my first trade. Jumped in 1,500 shares at 25.1. Literally right there. Jumped in 1,500 shares. And I kid you not, the second I bought, my Thinkorswim platform was so laggy. I couldn't see my profit. I couldn't see my anything. The candles was frozen, and then it just started spawning up and down, and I would try selling it, it would randomly move up and down. Like, it was so laggy. I've never seen like that before. So I started closing it out somewhere in there. It took 500, 500, and I think I got fully out on this candle up here. Let's see, 26.41. So yeah, pretty good fill. 26. Oh, I guess I could have wrote it up. Still another 50 cents. But yeah, so right there, 1,500. Took out 55. Took out 41. But it was so laggy, and then just all day I've just been on chat with this crazy what broker. Thinkorswim. Juan, tell us why you got in at 21.5. Uh, $24 was, well, this is the resistance, right? 24.33. And then this right here is a nice little squeeze through it, right? So this is not just like, let me see. Hold on. Unfortunately, the only real correction for this is to cut back a bit on the number of Windows monitors charts you're using and see if that provides some improvement. There's no way that's it, man. How can I not have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 windows? They're telling me my problem is having 12 windows open. They're telling the tech specialist, the tech support specialist said my I don't know. I don't know. That's what I thought. So I bought this new monitor now, which is my main monitor now. Um, but now that I have an extra monitor, because the monitor I used to use, I still put on the side and I'm still using it. But I don't know if that's what's causing this lag. I don't know if that's. If you open up more Thinkorswims and put like 4 windows per Thinkorswim, that might help. What I'm gonna do now is gonna close it again and then increase the memory to even more. Because I'm pretty sure I've got plenty, and maybe increasing it even higher will help. But if not, then I mean I guess I can. Let me reply. So you opened up several Thinkorswims? Like you can open up more than one or two and log in with them and then have difference on them? I don't know you could do that. But I'm thinking either I delete maybe one or two charts here that I don't really use that much. I'll have the bigger time frames on those. But I might delete those. Okay, let me go back to cold. So here, that's a nice little break, right? You break that 24.50, and after breaking 24.50, you spiked up almost to 25, $26. So that's almost $1.50 move, right? If I go over to, let's see, like HUSA, right? Ape Trades right here, HUSA. Like these are breaks you never held. The breaks, yeah, small. Now this is a nice little squeeze right here. After you break, you hold your retest. That's my strategy. You break, you hold the retest, you jump in on the next one, and then you rally, right? So now this is actually a squeeze. This counter right here from 750 to 79, 40 cents. That's what this is, right? That's what cold is. This first counter right here is squeezing shorts. Generally, we recommend no more than 2 monitors per individual GPU. Some high-end units might be able to push that to 3, but it's one of the most common cases we see performance shortfall. Bro, 2 monitors. I got 4. two two monitors per GPU, and I got 4. Yeah, I think I need to get a new GPU eventually. Guys, y'all want to buy me a new GPU? Guys, you want to buy me a new GPU for my birthday? My birthday's coming up. Who's giving me a who of you all are gonna pitch in for a GPU for me? Oh, now the chat is quiet. Now the chat is quiet. I'm just kidding. So Cold. Cold, this is a nice little squeeze, right? So now I'm looking for 25 bounce, right? So we break through 24.50. We break to 25.50. I'm looking for a $25 retest on that one. Geez, so here comes the donation link. Let me type in my you made 700 today, mofo. Hey guys, I've been doing this all free for you guys. You guys are learning free. Let me see. Reb is trying to get back up a BWAP. So 25, 24.50 broke, hit 25.50 all the way almost to 26. Looking for a 25 retest. So I jumped in at 25.1. Does that kind of make sense? You're on a Mac and a 34-inch monitor. Dang. So that was just that trade. Nice little squeeze through that break of 24.50, 24, 25. Retest of 25, jump in there, see if $25 holds, and then see if we can get that move back up. Just get 260-inch monitor since you can only have 2. Dude, I might as well, because this freaking thing is like, it's like just one giant ultra wide. Look guys, I have to show you this. This looks ridiculous. Alright, so here, I always show you guys. There's Arbolito, his cage. Here's that top monitor, so here's that chat that I have. I usually have the 180, my scanners, and then the YouTube chat, right? This laptop I used to have for my scanners, but now I use it for Tradecaster. So here's where I see you guys. So if I'm always looking down, this is where I'm seeing you guys. Here's my new main monitor now. This is a new one that I just bought. So this is my trading. It is all one giant screen. Now you guys actually see the whole thing. So my watch list, movable, the big chart, and then active trader. There's my my profit in case you guys hadn't seen it right there. If it's a little blurry, I'll read it for you. 752.06. Time and sales, level 2, right? That's all I need. This is my main monitor. Then on the side, I have all of these side charts now, right? So this is still normal. I have the same 6 little charts. This is all my low cap penny stocks. So I have, see, you can see I have Husa right there. I can see that it's moving. I have Indo, see that it's falling. Cold right there. SONW, somebody called it out earlier. Reb right there. And then this right here at the top left is my 5-minute or 2-minute chart, depending on what I feel like. And that was it. This was my setup. And now look at this. What the? It's like straight up sideways, a ginormous monitor over there. Oh, we all showing our setups? There, I showed my setup. Let's see. What does Ape Trade setup look like? Holy moly, Ape Trades. I like that. Bro, how do you not have problems? You almost have just as much screen usage as me. Damn, I like that setup though. That ultra wide monitor, holy crap. You're only running 6 charts. See, I wanted to, I still want to. That ginormous side monitor that you guys saw on the side, I want to mount it on top. Which was my intention when I first bought this initial one, to be able to mount that super wide one on top and then just have the longer time frame charts up there. Disabling browser and extensions. I think I'm gonna, let me try it now. I'm gonna, oh, let me reply back to this. Matt M. Generally, I'm gonna restart it again and increase the memory. Alright, so I have it at, the guy said 128, 128, 61, 44. Which one's more important, guys? The left one or the right one? To $5 but low volume. Which one's more important here? The left one or the right one? What is proxy? This already feels like it's high enough. I see EDU on my momentum scanner, guys, as well. So once I get logged in, I'll take a look at it. But EDU is on my momentum scanner and COGT as well. So COGT, I'm looking for that new high. Okay, fine. I'll just increase both. Technical questions. I can't help you. I have people. Yeah. Same here. Like they were asking me about my PC, and I kind of know what I have, but not like I cannot tell you exactly like detail everything that I have. But yeah, I didn't build my own PC. My friend did it, so if he was in here, he'd tell you exactly what I have and everything. So, all right, increase the memory, increase the RAM, or whatever it does. Let's see. You were calling out. Somebody was calling out IQ. Let's take a look at IQ. IQ high of 522, and we are getting to that $5. It's still pretty far off, yeah. But let's look at COGT. Okay, COGT break of downtrend here. I had this drawn earlier. I just did not take a trade on it. Right there. Okay, this is looking better actually. Oh, a little bit lag there, stuttery. A little stuttery there, but we're good, we're good. And then IQ is easy to borrow. It is easy to borrow. So $5 is the next target, and then looks like 575 has double topped twice. So that I know that's a while away from now, but yeah, I even have it marked up there, 577. So 577 up there has double topped once or twice. How is Cold doing? Anybody keeping an eye on Cold? Cold looks like failed all the way down to VWAP. Wait. Should be easy to borrow, blast off because easy to borrow stock sent to squeeze shorts. Been there before that. Yeah, you're right. I do agree with that. I do agree with that. I always think of those like easy to borrow, easy to blast off, and then the ones that are so volatile, like AERC, because you're moving by 10 cents almost literally dollars. It's very easy to catch quick moves because people are going to stop out real quick, right? They don't want to hold the trade that they're down 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 cents now, and they could easily be down a whole dollar like a split second afterwards. So where's Tesla sitting out? So Tesla flushed to that 643 level and then came back up to it and now pulling back down again. So SPY new low day all red. Actually, we're back to this support. Exactly on it. This is where I wanted to buy calls yesterday. Are we actually gonna break? This is a very important place right here, guys. On SPY, this is a very important level right here. Look at that dotted line. I don't know if you guys see it, but look at that dotted line. Can you guys see that now? So that dotted line right here on SPY, right? Here's our first touch. I think I've said this one before. 2 touches, 3, 4, and we're right there again. Are we gonna bounce up and see the same thing we've seen on this line, or are we gonna repeat what happened in 2008? And this is gonna break through it to the downside, flush pretty aggressively, and then make another. This is so laggy, man. Let me see. Let me delete. Let me save this workspace. And then start deleting some charts. See if it just makes it run better. Okay, let's see if this runs better. I deleted 4 charts on my side. So this is SPY right there at that level. Would have had a 60-day but forced some trades on Indo trying to play the VWAP expecting Husa sympathy. SPY low of 373. Use only one window for each Thinkorswim login. See, I didn't know that. So you can what you guys are saying is I can open another Thinkorswim? Oh yeah, I can. I can. So I guess that's what you guys are saying. And there's no issue with moving back and forward. So SPY bouncing at that level, is this where we get a nice little move where we gap down and really start a nice little freak out panic moment where everybody's gonna panic sell, and then you're gonna get a nice down move, right? And then we also have that talk tomorrow too, so that will definitely affect it. I don't know. I want to get in here. I want to buy long. I want to buy calls. I want to buy a dip here. But I don't know, man. This looks scary. See, look at that rejection. Once, twice, 3 times. We're bouncing off of it. Well, I was just calling it right here. I literally just started looking at the stock right here. At 373, up already $2 a share. So far, it's moving good. I don't know if deleting those 4 charts to the right made it happen, but so far it's okay. Alright, now let's see. Husa, did we ever get a break of $8? We did, could not hold it, pulled back down. So Husa, this is like the second or third time we tried that $8, right? So I mentioned yesterday 750 didn't even break it. We broke it once. Here's that $8 on Husa, right? We got very close to Husa $8 and then pulled back. This is the second time we get to $8. So if we get to a third time on Husa to $8, watch that squeeze through 850, 860, new high, right? Let's see what else we got. Indo. Ape Trade said he was looking for an Indo VWAP play on here. Kind of like Husa, so yeah, you could have tried buying some dips in here and see if you get that nice move. Started taking profit on this candle there, or even here, but no clean move to a new high of day. KVL was the one that I was liking pre-market. KVL looked decent to me. If we could have kept holding this lows right here. So you see how when that gave out right there, shorts came in, right? So this would have been a short entry if you would have seen it. Or you can also short the top. You could have shorted that top right there. So that would have been a nice place to short it. And then right there's That's the uptrend support. Cold, very nice trades on cold, or at least one good trade on cold today, and that was pretty much it. Only one trade on cold. And then flat top 28, could not break 28. So I guess you can keep an eye on it. And then Rev we all missed. Rev squeezed without all of us, and I was looking at adding a big share size right there. Right here. I wanted to, and I didn't. And then there you could have looked for that retest of this double top right here at 274. 275, if you break through that, then you're looking at $3 and $3 hit. So you could have been looking at that. Right here, you buy that little pullback, kind of chasing it a little bit. You buy the aggressive pullback, buy that. Your target is the high of that previous candle, which is 273, 274.5, whatever that is. You break through that. Once you break that $quarter, 75, your next target is $3. So if you'd have taken any trade in here, $3 is your target, and you would have gone $3. Take some out of 3. You could have even taken some out at 315, 310, and then bump up your stop loss right below that 275. Right below the 275 right there, and then you would have gone stepped out, still at profit. But now let's see if we can get another move. So dang, my platform is running as smooth as ever now. It's running so smooth now, it's not even funny. Dang, guys, look at Dawn. Remember that nasty flush on Dawn that we all called? It recovered and back up to 1550. Dawn is going to get interesting. Dang, look at Dawn, guys. That nasty flush right down a VWAP and then right back up to 1550. This is almost one, for sure two, for sure three. 3 attempts at 1550. If we break 1550, we might see a nice move to $16. Here we go, breaking 50-50 right now as I speak, as I talk. Who's price is stretching in my opinion. It's consolidating down there at VWAP. Oh, you know what I forgot to do again for you guys? You guys don't use these anymore. You guys can see a little bit more of my time and sales and level 2, so you guys can see what I'm seeing. You guys can see what I'm seeing, see what I mean? COGT also still up here. COGT's high is 1015 from 2 days ago, and then 1089 from, or 2 days ago, yesterday 1015, 289 from 2 days ago. Which one was the one I was just looking at? Dawn. Who's surprised is stretching in my opinion. Husa broke downtrend. Let's see if it holds and keeps moving up. Let's see. Yeah, that could have been a nice ad right there. Did you add on that retest of it down here? Did you add somewhere down there, Arce? Andres? I feel like a lot of downtrends are way cleaner, waiting for confirmation to add above VWAP. So right there. I feel like a lot of trend lines play a lot cleaner to the short side than to the upside. Because to the upside, they just straight up squeeze. To the downside, they flush too, but like you get a nice little, like, let's see cold. Right there, that's your entry for short. Reb. Oh, Reb. Very good engulfing candle on Reb. Very good engulfing candle on Reb. Can we get over, what is this line? 275. That's same from earlier, right? Oh yeah, that is a downtrend break on Reb. It's $3 right there, and this is 315. That's right. So I'm looking at Reb right now. See if we get this 275 break again. We squeezed right there through 275 and did not. Bro, I get so many people like trying to hire me to promote stuff on TikTok. Like promote their brand or something. So you got the break of 270. Oh, we hit 270 perfectly right there, but did not get above it. Agaska, are you still short on QD? Are you still short on QD, Agaska? And then somebody else was calling out IQ. I don't remember who was calling out IQ. It's about 10 a.m. too, so been an hour and a half. So this is usually when I start giving profit back. So it looks like I might. Oh, I got scared for a second. So it looks like I might be calling it no more trades there. I'll stick around for another 10-15 minutes, but let me see. Yes, I want to close that support window. Y'all ain't jack. Opened up trader view. We'll start getting big swings here, I think. People trying to catch the bottom now. Jesse. Let me see. Import trades. So today, up $763, and then this was yesterday's loss of $330. So yesterday I did lose $330, and today I am up $763. So that's okay. That's okay. $400. I guess today is Tuesday, right? Yeah, $400 on the week. I don't know, guys. Also, you guys know I quit my job, right? I don't know if it's because I quit my job or just because I'm trading better, maybe staying longer, maybe I don't have the pressure of having to make money real quick and get out. I don't have like all of this, right? Maybe it's a combination of all of these things. But check this out. First time on the channel, love it. Andreas quit his job too. Who else quit? Who else quit? So I quit my job somewhere. I don't remember. I think it was somewhere back here, somewhere on the beginning of January, February, March, April, May, somewhere in the beginning of May. So I still took a couple losses for working from home, but after that, I don't know if it's just because I'm not pressured. I'm not pressured to make money real quick. I'm sitting patient for my trades. I have a little bit longer time to trade. I don't know if I'm just a little bit more relaxed, calm, everything. But I mean, look at my calendar. In the last still month and a week or something, only 2 red days still. Only 2 red days in the last month and a week. Recently, like still up 7,000 within the next last a little bit less than or 30 days. You know, it's not millionaire Lambo Ferrari money, but it's pretty good money. It's pretty good consistent money, right? For only trading an hour, 2 hours a day. So I don't know. I quit my job 14 months ago. Ape Trades quit his job. Andreas quit his job. I quit my job. Who's next? Mursa? Juan, you could easily get to Lambo money, dude. I think I have the foundation to. I think I think for me to make Lambo money, I definitely need to switch out of Thinkorswim. There's no way I can trade 10, 20, 30, 40,000 shares with Thinkorswim. There's just no way. Do you guys agree with me that like my consistency is there? I just don't think I have the I guess the resources because like my consistency is there, my winning percentage is there, my everything is there. It's just the platform and Gary on Twitter, Tristan said stocks as us makes 10. He probably doesn't trade breakouts as cleanly as me though, does he? I still work always second shift. Gyms, there we go. You kids in your Lambos. F on a climb 212.50. Husa also on a climb to $8. By the way, I don't think most of us are I don't think most of us are that young. You know what? Let me do a poll. I haven't done a poll in a while. Let's do a poll. Yeah, McLaren. You know, I'm not a fan of McLarens. I'm going to make a poll, guys. Create poll. If you don't want to answer this, then don't answer it, but Husa is making a nice little move to 780s. You'll buy a Rally Cool House instead of a car. How old are you? Let's see. Add answer, add answer. Let's do I'm not being rude if you're more than 50. I'm not calling you ancient, but I'm just going to do 50 plus. All right, I'm about to send this poll, guys. I used to not like them until recently. Ready? Poll is live. I want to see how old are you guys. I want to see what less than 20. Oh my gosh, less than 20 is a majority already. Oh wait, no. 20, 25, sorry. It just started showing the things on top. So it is unanimous. I don't see who answered what. Oh wait, no, mind. I do see. So we got a couple people over 50 plus, couple people in the 40 to 50 range, couple people in the 30 to 40, 25 to 30. Somehow 25 to 30 is the smallest percentage. Nobody's less than 20. I thought I had some young people in here. A lot of young people are trying to learn and do all this. I guess they got no money, right? They're broke. Yeah, I think if you hovered over it, if you don't want to answer, then don't answer it. It doesn't matter. So yeah, 20 to 25, 30 to 40 is the majority. So 30 to 40 is the majority. All right, I'm gonna stop it so you guys don't see. And then we got a couple people on YouTube saying their age. They're also within the 30 to 40 range. So it looks like 30 to 40 was the majority. Looks like 30 to 40 was the majority of people. I guess if you add my vote in there, it would increase the 20 to 25. 20 to 25 range. That's where I fall in. So Zamboni, I take it back. Oh, look at Dawn. Look at Dawn. This 50-50 break on Dawn. Look at this Dawn. Look at Dawn. Is this one to chase? $16 is our top resistance. 1596, I believe it was. 1596 is our top resistance on Dawn. Can we get this continuation? COGT, COGT. Somebody just called out COGT. What is COGT doing? COGT. COGT is rallying a little bit. Dawn kind of got stuck up here. Dawn looks like it wants $16. We could have gone on that dip. We could have gone on that dip. I let it go a little bit. Right there, that little spike down after a nice little clean move. This reminds me of Cold, right? This is what I did on Cold. A nice big squeeze, especially through 1550. Get that nice first pullback. On Cold, I was able to snipe that pullback within 10 cents, right? So down there. So this is low as 1061. This is bigger, slower spreads. I was able to snipe that bottom, right? Here, you'd still be in profit. You could put a stop loss right below. Risk 5-10 cents. Nobody under 20 is over PDT roll. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That's exactly what I get, dude. I get people. You're an impressive young man. Thank you, Jesse. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate all of you guys. This dude, slight pullback on Sophie. Let's see what Sophie looks like. So Dawn had a very nice clean through 1550, but we didn't really continue. The volume just died out. There, I would have gone stopped out of that trade either way. So I didn't take it, but I would have gone stopped out right there. And then COGT was the one that spiked up to 975 as well, and then now it's 2 candles red to the bottom. So wait, what happened, Semboni? What did Semboni say earlier? I used to like expensive cars, so mine got hit several months ago, and I'm still dealing with it. 30K in damage. Dang, I'm sorry, man. I hadn't seen that message. Somebody was saying I'm showing COGT has room to run. This dude, did you catch a little bit of that run on COGT? Because now it's pulling back, but... Ape Trades, thanks for being in here, Ape Trades. You're definitely doing good. Keep up the green streaks and keep your red small. So appreciate you coming in here, and I will see you tomorrow, man. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Zamboni, driving on the freeway and was hit in the side is an Audi aluminum quarter panel. 4.5 months later, and my car isn't repaired. Dang, that sucks, man. Weren't you the one that was just saying you guys in your expensive cars? Or you said Lambos. You said Lambos. You said Lambos. Yeah, I guess Lambos attract the younger people. But Juancho, QD working short. There we go. What's your cost basis? 115 still. You held through that. You held through that. Nice, Agaska. Nice. You held through that. You held through that. Good job. And you know where it's pulling back, Agaska? Have you looked at the 180? Do you see where it's pulling back to? Do you see where it's pulling back to? Look at that, Agaska. Right there. Just now. You just tucked below it. Look at that. The $1 and the downtrend resistance. You spiked through it, and I said be careful if you start holding this move. But if you don't, look at that. Tuck right below that trend line. You sold a golf cart dealership after 10 years. The 184 hour. 184 hour, Agaska. 184 hour. Husa bounced back from VWAP. I'm in, bro. Husa didn't even touch VWAP. You're on Weeble, right? Husa didn't even touch VWAP on mine. Let's see if SPY held that support again. So we would have gotten a nice bounce play there for sure. Right, that dotted line that I was saying. But We're heading lower again to it, guys. We're heading lower. With this could be a very nice sell-off. If we lose this trend line here, this could be a very nice sell-off for SPY again. Let's see what would be the falling target. Oh, there's not. Holy crap. Hold on. Let's go to a bigger time frame. Daily, 10 years. We're probably gonna have to look at the weekly and see where the SMA is. Yep, down there. That 350 is the level that Dart Trader or somebody was calling out earlier. So yeah, we could keep moving down on SPY. Let's see. I quit hospital and residency. Residency. What were you doing, Andres? What were you doing? What's your thoughts on Hills? Hills. Well, for one, it's got no volume today at all. Zero volume. High yesterday was 194. We're currently trying to hold the 180 SMA on the 180 line. But if I was to take a trade on Hills, not until you get back up to 150, a dollar and a half. But I will take trades through this level right here, right? So this is a 182, I believe. 182. Getting close to 180, then it's going to grab a lot of people's attentions, and then you start taking trades in this range, right? Take a trade from 1.6 to 1.7 all the way to 1.8. Hopefully you break that 1.8, squeeze to 1.9, and then $2. That would be the trade that I would take on this. So, yeah, I'm not going to trade anything now. I'm not going to buy and hope for something, right? I'm going to wait for the quality setups. I'm going to wait for the quality setup up here. High of day break, high of squeeze, high of shorts, anything like that. I'm going to wait for that and then attack that move. So this is why I don't jump in like crazy on just random stocks and bag hold them and stuff. I will take the trades when I see them. If I don't see anything, I will wait patiently, and if not, I will wait for the next day. EDU is up here as well. Why, this could not be a better Head and Shoulders. I don't like Head and Shoulders, but this right here could not be a better Head and Shoulders. Wow. If somebody wants an example of a Head and Shoulders, here it is. You were in med school, Andres? You were in med school and doing plastic surgery residency for 3 years? Are you serious, Andres? Is that what I'm reading? No way, man. Then you got. Holy crap, Andres. Props to you, I guess. You still did med school, but dang, you dropped out of that residency? I mean, I guess I dropped out of CPA school or classes, but it seems like he quit. It seems like he was in it and stopped. And now day trading and making 10 times more. Dang, Andres. Good job, man. There you go, Gasco. Back to break even with that short play. So let's see. I think I might have met. Let's not go any lower on SPY. The one time I'm scared that we're gonna keep dropping. I'm scared that we're gonna keep dropping. So this dude thumbs up. I think that's because I explained the Hills trade, right? The short story is one can only use an authorized Audi repair shop, but in addition, the shop also needs to be an Audi certified aluminum repair shop. There's only one in all of Arizona. They have me by the this my type of Audi right here. Let me see. I've driven some R8s which are sick, and my old client's G-Wagon which is even sicker, but a gas guzzler. I'm retired medical from Air Force. Sometimes you lose the passion after 10 million hours of residency and practice. Awesome, Andres. You found your passion. Yeah. Let's put good out into the universe. SPY lower tomorrow. That's what I'm thinking, man. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking SPY is gonna crack that and then really going to fail. I'm thinking SPY is going to crack that support and fail. Look at it again. This is the third, fourth attempt. Why? Because look, we got one yesterday. We got another one today. Clean bounce off of it, and we're back to it again. We're back to it again. I do think SPY is gonna keep going lower. Look at that. You see that? This does not look good. Maybe we can catch one down here. Maybe we go back into this channel down here. Maybe we fall back down here. These last days have been rough. We're down 10% in the last 1, 2, 3, 4 days. 3 to 4 days, down 10%. .75 tomorrow guaranteed. Wait, .75 what? Oh, right, the rate. I thought you were trying to say like 375 or something, but 375 is where we're at right now. Andres, I give you props, man, and I would understand the burnout because my wife is in medical school right now, second year. No, she's about to be in third year. Somewhere in the middle of second and third year, and I mean, I thought I wanted to be a vet, and seeing how much she studies and seeing how much she has to get up at 4 in the morning, seeing what time she gets home and still has to do labs or like Zoom meetings, I just could not do that. I could not do that. I learned to day trade because I wanted to make money in 2 hours and enjoy my freedom, right? This is why I day trade. This is why you guys. This is why Mercer is like, bro, power hour, power hour, power, power, power hour. Yeah, someday I'll jump in power hour, Mercer. Someday I'll do your favor. When's your birthday, Mercer? I'm just kidding. Um, but yeah, I mean, we all learned to day trade because we want two things: we want money and we want freedom, right? And once you have it, once you got the money, once you got the freedom, why are you gonna keep doing it? That's what you wanted, right? It's today. See you later. This dude just had a burn. So I understand your burnout, Andres. I understand it. I see her every day, and I get tired just watching her, man. Market can't fall forever. You're right, Darth Shader, but it can fall a little bit more. It can crack this support and fall a little bit more. I think so. Looks like the penny stocks are done for today, guys. I don't think I'm gonna take another trade. We had one nice trade on cold, made $752. Had some issues. Now my Thinkorswim platform is running perfectly, so I'm gonna load it up again with those extra side monitors. Extra, or actually I can do it now. I'm gonna see if loading up. Okay, now I got all charts open. Now I got all charts open. So I got the increase RAM and memory and stuff with all the charts open. So let's see if it's still acting as laggy or not. But Dawn spiking up again. Oh, Dawn spiking up. $16 is a break on Dawn. How to focus on my word. This stock is spiking up, but it's low volume, so I don't know if it's like I don't think it's safe to jump in on breakout trades and stuff like that because look at the volume on it. Like only 60,000 shares. If I buy a 10,000 share position, I'm taking like literally a good chunk of the volume. I'd be making it. Look, 33,000 volume on this candle. That is not what you want, guys. So I don't know that I'm going to take a breakout trade right there. I don't know why this does not have more volume. It's literally at $16 resistance, which was a couple days ago. I don't know why we're only getting 30,000 volume, 37 now, and this one only 60, and this one only 28. What the heck? Man, that's low. who wants to go work an 8 to 10 hour day. For some people, it's just easier to have that job security and steady paycheck, and there isn't anything wrong with that. But personally, I want more and I want better, which is why I'm here. Always seems like Thinkorswim is kind of crappy on the first half hour. Yeah, I can see that, but today it just felt worse than usual. So I'm gonna go back and look at it and see how bad it was. But today was worse than usual for sure. So today was definitely worse than usual. It looks like Tesla pulled back up above 643, right? Yeah, so 643 has held on Tesla one, two, three, four, five times today, or not today, but 2 times today, and then 3 times pre-market, post-market, and then yesterday. So maybe Tesla gets a nice little rally back up to 660, 650, 670, maybe something like that. But Tesla has held at 643. Look at this. Dawn new high, 1597. Broke it by 1 penny, I think. It was 96. Now it's 97. With how much volume? Oh, 176. Okay, that's a little better. That's a little better. Big drop on COGT. Dawn is just low volume. See how we didn't get a clean breakout? Why? Because there was no volume. Volume is your best friend, guys. So I left that alone. If they call 75 on interest rates, it'll probably drop 50. It might go up a little bit. So that's what Jesse over on YouTube says. And over here on Tradecaster, there were a couple people were saying 75 guaranteed. So yeah, if that happens, it will tank. New low of day on SPY. SPY is cracking that support. SPY is cracking that support. Look at it. Right there, look at it. This would be a short entry real quick for a new low. So, I guess today it might just go sideways too. I don't think it'll unless somebody knows something and they're controlling this, but I doubt it. I think we're just gonna go sideways, or really, unless we fail the support, then we might start tanking. But tomorrow is gonna really tell us what we do. So, but right here, I'm calling it. I'm calling it. SPY hits 360s, 350s. We're going down to 360s, 350s. Maybe it is those four side charts on the side, because now that I've got them open again, guys, I can feel a small little lag. You know what I also can do? Oh, nice bounce off of that support again. Again, bounce off that support again. Let's see if Dawn ever really did anything. Nope, there's a low volume. There's a low volume play, right? Now, if you want to short Dawn, wait for this uptrend to break. Wait for this uptrend to break, and then you can short Dawn. As a matter of fact, it is kind of a rising wedge. We know what a rising wedge does. A rising wedge usually breaks to the downside. A falling wedge usually breaks to the top side. This to me looks like a rising wedge. Right there, we're going to fall back into this area. I'm going to leave that there, and I will check on that tomorrow. Guys, I think I'm going to call it for today. I got all this mess. Look at this. This is my monitor box. I still gotta clean it, or I guess destroy it and throw it out, or put it in the garage or something. Clean my room a little bit. Gotta make a YouTube recap today. I haven't made one on Friday or Monday. Even though they were kind of scratch trades, I made money one day and then the other day I lost a little bit. Look at that Tesla 643, right? 643 is the level I set on Tesla all day. And this is why man, dude, this is why I wanted the extra monitor so I can keep an eye on Tesla and SPY at all times with my extra monitor. And I could freaking keep an eye on them and find some trades. But look at this, 643, right? 643, this little range box right here. We zoom into today. We broke below it, tested, pulled back. We broke above it, came back, broke below it, came up. Your entry could be right there. Now that you broke above it again, you retest that 643, and then you would have been up from 640, or I guess this is 644 and a half to 640.55, 10 cents a share. Random, but just came across this. What is this random stuff? What the heck? That tiny amount can kill somebody? Holy crap, that is scary. How something so small like that can kill somebody? Good job today, bro. Like I said, it's the first time here, and I loved it. Keep up the good work, and I'll be following every day now. Hey, Jordan. EJ Jordan. I'm going to call you Jordan. I'm going to call you Jordan. Thanks, Jordan. Thanks for, first of all, hopping in here. I don't know where you came from. I don't know if you came from Tradecast or YouTube, TikTok. Wherever you came from, not a great joke, but I only pick up 20s. MIC. What is MIC? Zamboni is so rich he doesn't even need those, dude. He only bends down if they're hundreds. What is MIC, Jordan? But I do appreciate you coming in here. Hopefully you were able to learn something. Anytime you can ask for any ticker you want me to look at, any questions you have, I will always answer them. And yeah, hope you learn a lot. Hope you join our community, stay in here, and stay active in the chat. Talk to all of us. My investment club. Okay, okay. I was just asking. I don't know how you got to me. Like, I don't know where you heard from me. I guess if you heard it there, then I guess maybe. CMRA, do you play halts? If so, how? CMRA. Let me look at it and I'll tell you. I do play halts. Okay, YouTube. You came from YouTube. So I will play halts. Well, this is kind of low volume in the day until we got halted. But my main thing on halts is say for example, let's go back to let's go back to KAVL, right? So let's say KAVL is trading right here, and then we start rallying back up and get into this area. And let's say we halt crossing this 2.8, right? If we halt crossing this 2.8, there's only very few picky things that I would like on a halt that I will jump in on resumption. If we halt somewhere in this area, say on KAVL, and we halt, if resumption is anywhere in here, but still have this obvious target of 314, I will buy a little pullback after resumption, or I will just chase it and know that we are all targeting a new high of day, right? So if we halt anywhere in this area and resumption is still anywhere in this area, I will probably try to buy a little bit, chase it, maybe buy a nice dip off resumption, maybe even the halt resumption retest. So halt there, spawn here, come back, touch it, buy, and then rip through new high. That's usually what happens. But if I'm halting like at a new high, then probably not. Like, actually, this happened here, right? Which one got halted? 903, 904, 905, 910. So this one, there was no obvious target on Reb, right? I was looking for a dip entry, but Reb halted up here with this candle right there and resumed a little bit higher, so I'm not going to chase that. There's no target up here that I'm like, okay, maybe we're going to get a new high of day. Yeah, there's psychological $3, but not an obvious target that I'm looking at. So if it halts, let it pull back. See if we start holding a bottom. I wanted to add in here, go back and see my YouTube recap, or not my YouTube recap, my YouTube live video the whole time. And then you will see that I was getting ready to click the buy button somewhere in here. I didn't, but it did come pull back up. So if it gets halted and you have an obvious target and you open below it, then I will take a trade. Oh, this one's live. See, there's no obvious target, right? We literally instantly pulled back. There's no obvious target. Yep, no problem. Alright guys, I'm going to call it a day. It is 10:31, so 8:30, 9:30, 10:30. Been trading 2 hours, so 2 hours. Actually, I only traded the first 15 minutes still anyways, but been sitting here for 2 hours. So I'm going to get up, get a little break, work on a YouTube recap, and then... Now this did hit a spike, but that is not what you want right there. Did hit a... I mean, not that. I'm going to make a YouTube recap, make some videos and stuff, and then keep working on my course. So that is my main priority now, so I need to work on that. So far it's looking pretty good. I think I'm going to have a lot more stuff than I want, but it's better because the more I have, the more it'll be clear to understand things and all that. So alright guys, with that being said, have a good one, brother. Thank you, Jesse. Appreciate you coming in here on YouTube and being consistent watching, so appreciate that. Good luck with all your trades still. I think you still had some long calls or something like that, but this market seems to still want to keep pulling back, so just be careful. Same thing with everybody. If you're playing the long run game, this might not be a place to start adding and just having small positions into this market. The market is always going to recover, right? And you're seeing it at a discount right now. That yes, discount can keep getting worse, but I actually have another account that I put some money in, and I think I just put in like 15K into like a bunch of stocks yesterday. So just a long-term hold on that one. Some of the stocks that I bought on that one were Amazon. I bought a little bit. I bought a little bit of Apple. I think I only bought one share of Tesla, because Tesla I think still can pull back a little more. I did buy TQQQ is my little bit of a higher risk, higher reward type of long-term play. And then besides that, I put in some on SPY, DIA, I put some on NVIDIA, I put some on AMD. I put some on Shopify as well. I think Shopify has a big return, big risk as well. My first time in your lobby, Juan. Sometime next month, would you schedule a date to come in pre-market? I'd like to see your pre-market prep, how you develop your watch list. Guys, when I go live, the second I go live, that is the first time I'm looking at the market with you guys. I literally will go live 8:15 and 8:15, 16, 17, 18 minutes is usually when I start looking at the markets, and it just 5-10 minutes is all I need to look at my gaps. So I'll look at my scanner, which you guys cannot see it right now. I blocked them off, but this will show up every time I go live right there. You should see them show up on the right side. What did you put 15K in? I'll just explain it, but I'll say it again. So when I go live, so if tomorrow when I send that link and I show up and you see my face, that is the first time I'm looking at those gappers, looking at those stocks. So I quickly go over them, kind of quickly say, this is what I want, this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at this one, or whatever. So yeah, those are the only ones that that's the only time I look at the market. So definitely come in here tomorrow morning and you'll see me do that. It doesn't take me very long. So, and you can see my gappers too. You can see them right there to the right here. My mouse covers them because it's setting on top. Zamboni knows me, dude. I kid you not. I wake up at 8:05 is when I wake up. I take the dogs out. I put them outside. I come in here. I fill up my water bottle because now talking freaking dries my mouth, dude. I'm not serious. I'm not joking, dude. Talking dries my mouth out. So yeah, I wake up 8:05. I'm rolling out of bed. I let the dogs out. I grab my water. About 8:10 is usually when I'm coming down and sitting down. I'll set the stream up. That's why sometimes I don't even put an intro. You in AC all day? That is why sometimes I play the intro and sometimes I don't because if it's like 8, 13, 14, I'm not gonna play a 3 minute intro. But yeah, you had me figure out by day two. Oh man, that support on SPY again, man. People want that support. People want that 373. You know what that tells me? If 373 gives out, oh man, it's gonna be a bloodbath. It's going to be a bloodbath. This 373 gives out. But yeah. So this dude, I think that was you asking me that. So I'll be back tomorrow, and you'll see me. I mean, 8:10, 8:15, I start getting ready, start streaming, and that's exactly when I start looking at all the gappers, and you'll see me. And I can look at any other stocks in the day too that you want to see. Tesla is rallying up to that 660 that I was saying earlier, so maybe we could have gotten on that one. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, for real, Simbuddy, for real. Hey, thank you for being in here, Simbuddy. Appreciate you coming in here and staying active on chat and communicating and talking with all of us. So appreciate you for doing that. Somebody asked real quick. I'll answer this and I'll probably hit out. James, what did I spend 15K on yesterday? That is my long-term hold account. So if I go over to Amazon, I'm not holding anything, right? That's a different account. But I put 15K into long-term holds, and I think I put like 1,500 to 2,000 on all of these. Some of them I put a little bit less. What has it? I think it's Corsair. It's a Corsair headset. I don't know. HS60, HS60, HS6. Oh my god, I just repeated myself. HS. Holy crap. Okay, HS60 Pro Surround headset. Model, if you need the model, is RDA0027. RDA0027. No, I don't think this is an expensive headset. Actually, I'm very minimal. Now that I obviously I got a good monitor, but dude, I was still training and gaming for years on a 60 hertz monitor. This is about time to get something higher, right? It's about time. No, I cannot run them wireless. They are wired in. I don't like wireless stuff. I mean, I guess it'd be fine, but no, these are wired. But the wire is so long, dude. Like my PC is way back there in the corner, and I still have all this room. So this is plenty of room. Like it almost goes out to the front of my room. So I got plenty of room on it. It's pretty long. So, James, I don't think I asked. So I put 15K, about 1,500, $2,000 into each stock. Amazon was one, Apple was one, Tesla is one. Tesla I only bought one share, so that one was only $600, $700. TQQQ I did buy in some on that. I bought SPY, DIA, and then I bought some AMD, some Nvidia, some Shopify, and I think that might be it. So nothing but top stocks and a couple of those riskier TQQs, higher risk reward, Shopify higher risk reward, and then obviously Amazon pretty stable, Tesla stable, Apple, and then ETFs, DIA and SPY. So let me quickly get through all of these, make sure I'm not missing something. All right, guys, locking in 700 and I forgot. Forgot. Holy crap. I'm on the wrong thing. Journal. $763.61. One good trade today on cold, and that was pretty much the 90% of the profit. So took that trade, took a smaller one on Husa afterwards, and took a smaller one on Indo afterwards. So $763 profit, 61 cents on today, guys. So with that being said, I am gonna head out and see you guys tomorrow. So 15 minutes before market open, I will be live. I will go over the gap scanners, over any other stock you want me to look at. So um, get ready for tomorrow, guys. If SPY cracks at 373, we might be hitting into some low numbers. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and you all have a good day. Thank you, Agaska. You have a good one today. Bye, team. Bye, everybody. Jesse over on YouTube. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, everybody. Dart Trader, Mersa, James, Zamboni, Jordan. Thanks for coming in here first time. Hope you liked it. You said you did. Hope to see you again, man. All right. Peace out.